disagree with?
Yeah, I disagreed with the MLA. I told her we are not the policemen to go and implement the High Court order.
No.
म्हजें नाव जोसेफ फेर्नांडीस. हांव ह्या गांवचो एक नागरीक. आतां 2014 आमचे पंचायतीन एक गार्बेज सायट आयडेंटिफाय केलोली. ओके, आनी ही गार्बेज सायट आयडेंटिफाय केलो ती त्या लागशिल्ल्या लोकांक आडकोड जाता म्हूण थंयचो पंच ती ओपोज करपाक लागलो, ग्रामसभा घेवन लोकांक घेवन येवन, आनी म्हणपाक लागलो तुमी कांसावली आरोसीची गार्बेज कुयेली घेवन येतले, तुमी बिल्डिंगां कांसावली आरोसी बिल्डिंगां हॉटेलां बांदतले आनी गार्बेज तुमी कुयेली हाडून घातले अशें म्हूण तेणें ओपोज करून ती गार्बेज सायट बंद केली. आतां होच पंच आमच्या आरोसी हॉटेल पास कोत्ता. हॉटेलां लो लायिंग एरियाज, आमचे वॉटर बॉडीज आहाय, आमचे नालाज आहाय, आमच्या गांवचे उदक फ्लो जाता तें पाड घालून वो हॉटेल बांदूंक सोदता. हॉटेल बांदपाक पास कोत्ता, आपली सोय दिता कितें, आनी आपल्यो टॅक्सी त्या हॉटेलान लायता. म्हणजे तेग्या गांवां इफेक्ट जाता तें तो पळोवन घेता आनी आमच्या गांवां इफेक्ट जाता तें कांय जायना. कितें ही पळय गार्बेज पळय हिंगा, ही हुंचे पंचायती फुड्यान मेळची ना, पण आमगे कांसावल्या आरोसी कुयेली पंचायती मुखल्यान ही गार्बेज हाडून घायल्या. एंकोड्या गार्बेज सायट ना, आनी आतांच्या काळार गार्बेज सायट आयडेंटिफाय केले त्यो पासून रिजेक्ट जालो आहाय. गार्बेज सायट नासतना हेणी लायसन्स दिलें. ही लायसन्सां आमी मागताय सगळ्या विलेजस रिवोक करची म्हणून ताबडतोब दिलो आहाय ती सगळी ताबडतोब रिवोक करची. आनी ऑलरेडी आतां 1 लाख दिलां. दुसरी पायपलायनीक आहाय. पयर फाटी एकलो येवन गोंयांत येवन म्हणपाक लागलो लास्ट टायमाक म्हाज्या प्रश्नाक डिवेलपमेंट आनी एनवायरमेंट बॅलन्स जावपा जाय म्हणून. म्हाका तेका थ्रू मिडिया विचारपा जाय डिवेलपमेंट आनी एनवायरमेंट कशें करून बॅलन्स करता तो. एक वाटेन तो डेव्हलपमेंट करपा जाय जाल्यार एनवायरमेंट पेडेर जावपाकूच जाय 100%. वय की ना तें सांगाय तुमी, लोक सांगाय वय की ना, जाल्यार तो बॅलन्स कशें करतलो. आतां हेरिटेज विलेज आहा आमच्या गांवांत हॉटेल, हायत आहा तें आतां ITC जालां. कितें आतां हेरिटेजा तेंकोन आनी एक 50 मिटरा भितर आनी एक येता. तेंकोन 50 मिटरा भितर आनी एक येता. ते फुडें आनी 50 मिटर मायजूच फुडें येता आनी ही लायन कंटिन्यूस जाता अप टू वेलसांव. हें आमकां जालोलें नाका. फुडले पिळगेक आमचे लो लायिंग एरियाज, आमचे वॉटर बॉडीज, आमचे नालास आमकां सांबाळून दवरपा जाय. आमची शेतां आहा, ही शेतां आतां तेणी घेतल्या आनी गोवोरमेंट म्हणटा शेतां कन्वर्ट करूंक जायना. आतां तेणी शेतां कन्वर्शनाक घातल्या, ती कशी कन्वर्ट करपाक सोदता तो गोवोरमेंट आमकां पळोवपा जाय. इतलें सांगून हांव तुमकां देव बरें करूं.
Because MLAs are sent there to legislate the laws, and whatever we do, we follow the Panchayat Raj Act. So if they want to give more powers to the Panchayat, then they should amend this. Now they are talking of the 73rd amendment, where they have given the powers. You very well know, where are the powers? Even if tomorrow we reject the plans, anybody's plans, and their plans are correct, that person, agreed person, makes this to the deputy director.
So you have taken resolution.
Now see, take example, noise pollution. Now noise pollution, the High Court has given the order to the police to implement it. Even if the weddings crosses after 10:30, the police come and enforce that law. Now regarding the decibels, we don't have the meter. How much is the decibel and all? High music, low music. After 10:30, then certain decibels are permitted to have. Even for weddings, they put low music, but the loud music they stop at 10:30. So they have to implement. No, we are not the policemen to go. Stop it. Tomorrow they might put a counter case against the Sarpanch. Sarpanch is also not above the law.
रेजोल्यूशन घेतलें आमकां आमच्या गांवांत कोस्टल एरियांत आनी हॉटेलां नाकाय जे पळय आमचे वॉटर बॉडीज आहाय पाणी आहाय सँड ड्युन्स आहाय ते सांबाळून दवरच्यो ओके हें ऑलरेडी डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान आनी कलेक्टरान ऑलरेडी आमी इनवर्ट करून दिलो आहा सो लोकांनी सायन मारलो आहाय हें जालो आसतना तरी पासून ह्या हॉटेलांनी पास करीत आहाय ओके प्लस आमी गांवांत आनी मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स बी आनी आमकां नाका आमी सांगलें ओके आहाय ते पुरो आनी पास कोन्ना काय ओके गांवांत रस्ते आहाय ते 10 मिटर रस्ते नाय एने आरपीचे 10 मिटर रस्ते दाखयलो आहाय ते आरपीचे चोवन टीसीपी त्या टीसीपीचे घालताय टीसीपी इज नॉट द फायनल ऑथॉरिटी पंचायत इज द फायनल ऑथॉरिटी ओके सो प्लीज मागता आनी पोतून हॉटेलां वो मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स पास कोन्ना काय
Issues all pertaining to the government. Okay, and you very well know that Gram Sabha has no powers, and Panchayat also. Whatever they are asking, they have to amend the rules of the Panchayat first to give powers to the Panchayat. So now TCP is not passing the plan, changing of zones. That doesn't come under purview of the Panchayat. Zoning is done by the TCP. They have got the TCP board where any zones has to be changed. They put for the board meeting. And they get the board approved by the board. The plans that come, we are the last postman. The technical authority are the TCP. They have to see the technical aspect or whether the setbacks. The collector is responsible for giving the sanad.
This is in response to?
No, general I'm saying. Because all the things that come separately only. Let's say not to pass the plans, stop giving licenses to the multi-dwelling houses or hotels because there's no garbage. So the matter is in the High Court, and in some panchayats, High Court has given order not to issue. If we come, the panchayat comes in the picture, not to issue the license, we will follow the High Court order. These people went to High Court, they went to NGT, they went to Supreme Court, they went to all of this. Everywhere they are thrown out. So if we don't give them, they put all the orders and give to us the final this. So we would have done the contempt of court because Supreme Court is the final court of this country.
On doubling and other issues, what happened?
See, doubling, we had sent already the resolution long time back. Now, whether they will implement it or don't implement it, that is there. Because even the MLA, she's putting all the blame on the Panchayat. If Panchayat had all the powers in their, why there should be MLAs?
And what about
Why
the
They are overrating the weapons. I'm going high speed. They are not supposed to go at high speed.
We are just implementing the Panchayat Raj Act. Tomorrow, even we don't give, as I told you. The next appellant is who? The Deputy Director of Panchayat. And if all their papers are correct, and all the orders are correct, we cannot refuse them, saying that, where is that? I read that Gram Sabha, the powers and what the judgment is given. So, judgment clearly says that Gram Sabha tomorrow, even tomorrow we take resolution that this Panchayat Ghar has to be sold. Will Secretary implement it? So he will not implement it because we cannot sell the government.
कितें ही पळय गार्बेज पळय हिंगा ही खंयच्या पंचायती फुड्यान मेळची ना पण आमगे कांसावल्या आरोसी कुयेली पंचायती मुखल्यान ही गार्बेज
Parking place. Now they're parking in the chase property or on the side road, blocking everybody. They should ask, where is the parking place? Even if the plans are passed by the central government, whatever it is, they are supposed to send a copy.
हॉटेल बांदपाक पास कोत्ता आपली सोय दिता कितें आनी आपल्यो टॅक्सी त्या हॉटेलान